So good morning. This is the recorded discussion or the last topic for the midterm. So creativity and innovation. So when we say creativity, so in entrepreneurship, creativity is the ability to generate new ideas and approaches problem. So in the context of starting and growing a business. So creativity, it is all about thinking outside the box, identifying and developing innovative products, services, and processes that offer a unique value proposition. So, in creativity, so it also means new ideas or finding new ways, to improve existing offerings, and even creativity entirely in the new market. Person as a student, ayan. So, when we say creativity, it is all about doing of your comfort zone. Ayan. So, ano nga ba yung mga na ipapalabas yung creativity? At some point, dati, hindi kayo masyadong outgoing, hindi kayo masyadong, tawag dito, ma-effort. So, when we say creativity, do sabihin, nagbibigay ka na ng effort ngayon, nag-iisip ka na ngayon para mapaganda yung output mo or mapaganda yung, tawag dito, yung mga naiisip nating na bagay-bagay or you put effort or more mga ginagawa natin rather or unlike nung mga nakaraan. So in entrepreneurship, sabi nga dito dun sa ano natin, creativity is the ability to generate new ideas. Ayan. Generating new ideas. Ayan. So out of for example, ano kaya yung pwede natin or ano kaya yung nai-imagine natin or ano kaya yung mga possible na hindi ganun lang yung itsura ng bote ng suka. So that is one example of creativity. So what is the creativity in entrepreneurship? So the role of creativity in entrepreneurship is fuels innovation, it solves the problem, and it drive process. Meaning, as a creative entrepreneur, di ba, mas or lawak or mas mas ganda yung isip natin on our business. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, when we have mind as entrepreneurship, mas mong masolusyonan yung mga problems revolving your products and also help develop businesses or diba, for example, creating new packaging of the tawag dito yung bottled. So ano nga ba possible natin pwedeng gawin? So, ayan, yung creativity mo or it develops ano yung mga gawin doon sa product na yun. So that is the role of creativity in entrepreneurship. So number one is that or identify opportunities. So as a creative entrepreneur, okay, so unmet needs and efficient in the market leads to the development of new products, services, and business. Possibility others might miss, di ba? In so for example, nagiging problem yung tawag dito traffic. Ayan. So ano kayo yung mga to address? So yan, ginagawa nyo challenge or ginagawa nyo siyang instead. Okay. One is developing innovative creative entrepreneur. It uses innovation which involves implementing new ideas to create more value that certain product or in the so it innovates Entrepreneurs are enabled outside the box and perspectives. Another one is gaining a competitive edge. It's so um, ang pag na success world tayo, hindi may iwasan na magkakaroon tayo or magkakaroon ng uh, so being or a creative entrepreneur, high differentiator, or there will be a differentiator or product to stand out the crowd and attract product customers experiences. Entrepreneurs can build a strong brand and achieve a sustainable competitive advantage. Also, also it adapts. So landscape is constantly evolving. That as a entrepreneurs are new technologies, customers' preferences, and unexpected. So your strategy brings and innovative ed where it is pandemic challenge. As a creative entrepreneurship, ngayon, yung challenge na yun, di ba? Yung challenge na pandemic, ano ang ginawa ng ibang entrepreneur? So, they build online marketing. Ayan. So, in-offer nila yung mga business nila online. Ayan. So, doon na mga delivery riders and so on and so forth. So, they adapt. So, also fostering growth and sustainability. So, creativity is just about initial innovation. It also about adaptation. A culture of creativity within the organization, entrepreneurs can drive ongoing innovations, optimize processes, and ensure long-term sustainability. So, hindi lang para makabenta, ayan, but to sustain or to stabilize the business. Okay. So, what are the techniques to enhancing creativity? So, here are the tips creativity. So first one is to carve out from the creative project consistency. Another one is to seek aspiration from new sights and experiences. Also use flowcharts and mind maps for new ideas and ask what if. Ayan, what if ginawa ko to? What if to? Ayan. So do something outside your comfort zone. So hindi porket hindi ka good in public speaking, hindi ka good in business. So what if you try? So remember that mistakes are okay and often necessary. Make it an opportunity. Ayan. So wag tayong mag-stick sa problem. Rather, we think into the solution. So, what is innovation? So, sabi nga kanina, as a creative or creative innovator, ayan, nakakapag-isip tayo ng mas innovative ng mga products and services. So, what is innovation? So, it is a process of introducing something new, a new idea, a new product, a new service, or a new processes that creates a value or more value and drives business growth. So it's not just about generating new ideas, but about successfully implementing them to solve problems or to meet the needs and improve efficiency of a certain product. So that is innovation. So dun sa previous na discussions natin, according to the given meaning of innovation. Di ba sabi niya, it is the destroying of the old ones and creating new ones. So not necessarily na destroying is mawawala or whatever. But ang ibig sabihin nun is i-improve lang natin or i-develop lang natin, papagandahin lang natin yung mga old ideas and generate it to more useful, ayan, and more improve na mga products. Okay, so here are the types of innovation. So number 1 is sustaining. Okay, so sustaining, another disruptive, incremental, and radical. So when we say sustaining, a significant improvement on the product that aims to sustain a position in an existing market. So when I say sustaining, ayan, para ma-maintain lang kung ano ang meron sa product natin. So for example, our line of business is all about herbs and spices. Ayan. So to sustain the market, so ano pa tayo? Ano pa kaya yung mga possible na mga products or pwede nating a brand, deals or restaurant. Ayan, na pwede nating i-partner para lang masustain yung market natin. Ayan, para mag-remain tayo sa market. Okay. So another is so technology or new business model that disrupts the existing market. So when we say disrupting, a type of innovation that new trends. Ayan, ano kaya yung mga pwede pang gawin maliban sa kung ano ang available sa market natin. So that is disruptive. Another one is incremental. So it is a gradual, continuous improvement of the existing products and the service. Or meaning, ayan, so for example, yung mga cellphones natin. Ayan. So, di ba? It is incremental. Bakit? Kasi from time to time, merong, tawag dito, ina-upgrade yung mga specs ng mga cellphones natin. So that is incremental innovation. Another one is radical innovation, meaning it is a technological breakthrough that transforms industries. Often it creates new market. So those are the different types of innovation. So now, here are the steps of innovation. Step 1 is idea generation and mobilization. So when we say idea generation is planning. Ayan. So dito yung ano natin, yung sa may ano natin. So let's say for example, ayan, yung ginagawa ninyong business plan. So that is idea generation. So nag-iisip kayo kung ano yung gagawin ninyo or ano yung tawag dito, ano yung magiging product ninyo, magiging feasible ba siya, magiging ano ba to, magiging possible kaya yung business natin. So another step 2 is advocacy, screening, and experimentation. So, dito na yung second step nung planning natin. So, kailangan na nating i-test sa market. Ayan. So, i-check na natin yung SWOT analysis ng business natin. And step 3 is giving solution. So, for example, mas marami yung tawag dito, nakita natin through marketing test or product test na medyo may mali dun sa product natin. What will we do? So, create something or create solution. Okay? Or create something new. Ayan. So, hindi niya kailangang palitan or ibahin, but also, ayan, but rather, papagandahin nyo lang siya. Ayan. So, aayusin nyo lang siya. So, step 4 is commercialization and marketing. So, after giving solution, after successful planning, ayan, after successful test of marketing or test of your product, yan, marketing test, and so on. So, ito na, ilalabas na natin siya sa market. So, dito na magkakaroon ng advertising, ipropromote na natin siya, and of course, ibibenta natin siya sa market. Okay. Step 5 and diffusion and implementation. So dito na natin ititest kung kumikita ba yung business natin, ano kaya yung mga feedback ng mga clients natin. So that is innovation process and steps. So just in case, ma'am, what if okay naman tayo sa planning, okay naman tayo doon sa marketing test natin, naging successful naman po siya doon sa commercialization, pero nagsawa po kaagad yung clients namin. Ano po kaya yung gagawin natin? So balik lang tayo doon sa step 1. 'Di ba? So, kung meron ng something wrong doon na tayo magde-diffuse, or kailangan na natin, wait lang, isipin na natin ulit. Balik tayo sa step 1. Idea generation ulit tayo. Ano kaya ang mali? Yan. Ano kaya yung pwede natin gawin para mapaganda yung services at para ma-maintain natin yung product natin or ma-maintain natin yung stand natin doon sa market. So here are the key aspect of innovation processes. So first one is a strategic alignment, meaning innovation efforts should be aligned with the overall strategic goal and objectives of the business. Dahil pag once na, for example, you have your vision, mission, and objectives in your company or in your business, pero iba ginagawa mong products. For example, ang goal mo ay tawag dito, makapagbigay ng quality food sa mga clients mo. Tapos yung mga create mong mga product na ay naging medicinal herbs, mga ganyan, mga medical medicinal mga food. So medyo palayo na tayo dun sa objectives. So, or either, 'di ba, makakailangan na nating mag-rebrand ng business natin. So, that is a strategic alignment. So, kung ano yung nandun sa plan natin, ayan, so yun yung susundan natin. Okay, resource allocation. So, meaning effective innovation requires careful allocations for resources or rather resources including time, and funding, and your personal. Okay, so ito na kasi yung medyo crucial sa atin. Not only into the planning but also doon na sa preparation natin sa implementation or doon sa commercialization. Meaning, doon na mag-effort na tayo, ayan, maghahanap na tayo ng capital and also yung manpower natin na magtatrabaho dun sa business natin. Another one is cultural change, meaning creating a culture that supports innovation. That is essential. So encouraging creativity, experimentation, and continuous improvement to the process of innovation. So that is cultural change. Another key aspect of innovation is the measurement and innovation, meaning tracking the impact of innovations, activities, and making data-driven decisions. So for the future efforts. So that is measurement and evaluation. So knowing kung ano yung mga feedback ng mga partners natin, ng mga suppliers natin, ng mga ng mga clients natin. Okay. Another aspect for innovation is that risk management, meaning innovation inherently involve risk. So as we all know, when we are starting a business, ayan, so we are risking our effort, our time, our money, and all. So in managing this risk, it is important part of the process. Okay. So because, bakit nga ba kailangan? So without taking a risk, wala tayong mauumpisahan. 'Di ba? So continuous improvement. One of the key aspect of innovation is continuous improvement, meaning the innovation process is not one-time event but rather an ongoing cycle of learning, adapting, and improving. Kaya nga dun sa nabanggit nating process kanina of innovation is that hindi kapag once na may something wrong, balik tayo sa step 1. So wag tayong matakot or wag tayong manghinayang doon sa time natin, but rather we must think in innovation. Tignan natin yung tawag dito, yung longer na lifespan ng business natin. Okay, so what is the importance of creativity and innovation? So creativity and innovations are essential for the success in entrepreneurship. So because it fuels the generation for novel ideas, while innovation involves the translating of these creative minds into a practical, marketable products and services. So together with the creative mind and innovative mind, so together with this, entrepreneurs identify opportunities, solve problems, and creates value in dynamic market. So I think that's the end of our recorded discussion. So that's the end of our module. Okay, so activity. Group activity. This is a group activity. So look for an innovative company and explain their journey and journey of success and report it to the class. So pero kailangan pa rin may tawag dito, may written or merong encoded na ipapasa nyo sa akin. So papasa nyo siya sa akin sa Monday kasabay nung tawag dito, or bukas rather, yeah, ipasa nyo sa akin siya bukas on Wednesday. So in the anyway, tawag dito, please review dun sa mga naunang recorded discussion na sinend ko sa inyo. Ayan, so magkakaroon tayo ng quiz, long quiz bukas. Isisend ko siya sa inyo online, yung long quiz ninyo. So have a good day and God bless.